I make over $1,000 a day with an AI marketing agency, and today I'm going to share with you how you can get started with the exact same thing for free. And don't worry, I don't have anything to sell you. I'm not going to give you my course or sell you some sort of complicated system that you have to pay all this money for. In fact, I'm going to give you everything in today's video 100% for free. And I'm going to show you step by step how you can get started with a full checklist of things that I've built that walk you through everything you need to do step by step. So if you're excited for this, trust me, I think that this is the best opportunity that you can start in 2024 and beyond, because AI is replacing everyone. Pretty soon, you're going to see AI take over every single service-based business. And so you want to be the one that utilizes AI, not the one that gets replaced by it. Now, if you want to get started with all the things I'm going to be giving you in today's video, like the checklist, done for you emails, done for you AI scripts, and all kinds of really cool things that I'm going to be giving you in this video, all you have to do is drop a comment, like this video, and subscribe, and I'll respond and send you a link to everything so you can get started for free. So go ahead, drop a comment, leave a like, and subscribe, and I'll show you how to get started with all of this inside of the checklist that I've been building for you pretty much every single day. So let's talk about how this works. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be setting up systems for people. We're going to be setting up automations, because here's the thing. The majority of people do not have an automated system that makes them money. And so what we want to do is we want to offer businesses and business owners the ability to create an automated system so that they can earn money with the different types of marketing that they're doing. So for example, if we reached out to an influencer that has a lot of views and followers, and let's say they're not sure about how to monetize their views and followers, we could give them a plug and play system that I'll show you how to set up today. But we can give them a plug and play system that allows them to start earning money by creating pre-written emails with ChatGPT, pre-done funnels so that people can go and click on their link in their bio or wherever they're going to be offering the link, and then their followers and viewers are going to be able to sign up for more information about whatever they're talking about. We can use AI-generated videos to sell things to their followers. So everything that we do, we can set people up on some sort of system that allows them to go out and sell things using AI. And so there's so many cool things that you can do with AI right now. And trust me, I've built multiple AI businesses and software companies that do a lot of what we're going to be talking about today. And the whole premise of how we sell this stuff is not by going and offering some high ticket service or some sort of, hey, if you pay me $1,000, I'll go do this thing for you. We're actually offering a free AI setup to business owners. And when they go and pay for the full system after they go through the trial period, we make money on that system. Okay, so if this doesn't make sense, let me show you just really in a very simple sense how this works. So just so that I can demonstrate this to you and so that you can get started, what we're going to do is we're going to head over to this website. I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video as well. But we're going to go to firstaitool.com/go. Okay, and so here is our automated funnel that we have set up. Okay, so here you can see it says first name, last name, or first full name, and then email. Okay, so you put in your info here, and then immediately what happens when you put in your info here, you get taken into an automated system. So if I go to the system here inside of my high-level account, because this is just one of the tools we use a ton of different tools to automate what we do. So we use different tools to schedule our content, to generate our content. Trust me, I got a lot of really cool things to show you today. But if I go into my automations tab inside of high level, what we can see is that the person that entered their info just got put into an automation. And the automation is pre-written emails that we have loaded in so that anytime a contact is added in, we send them out information about whatever the thing is we're offering. Okay, so again, pretty much all that happened here is that we had a funnel that people went to. When they enter their info, they got put into an email sequence, which a lot of these emails, again, are written by ChatGPT. How do we write these emails with ChatGPT? Well, inside of our checklist, we have a bunch of testimonials, right? So I can go into testimonials here. I can click on the different testimonials, and I can tell ChatGPT to write me an email for these testimonials, right? So if I go to ChatGPT, type in whatever the testimonial is, which over here is I got a 4,200 annual plan SaaS client. So I can say, okay, I got a $4,200 annual SaaS client. And I'm just doing this really quick for the sake of this demo. I need a full email for this, selling this tool, and then I could go and put in my link, firstaitool.com/go. Okay, now boom, it's going to write me out an email. I can load that into the automation, and now we have a way to start selling what we're talking about with this automated funnel. And remember, the biggest issue that really a lot of people are having right now is they're doing a lot of this stuff manually, or they're not doing it at all. Okay, and most of it's the latter. If you go on somewhere like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, you'll see there's tons of people out there that have thousands and thousands or even millions of followers, and you might be thinking that these people are making a lot of money, and they're not. In fact, if you reach out to a lot of them, you could probably even offer to hire them, because most of these people really need money right now because they don't know how to turn their views and followers into cash. But we do, because we have AI and we have automated systems, right? Now, how do we pitch this to somebody, right? So like, let's say we find somebody that is talking about AI, right? And maybe they don't know how to make money though selling AI, right? So what we could do is we could reach out to that person and say, hi, name, I see that you're talking about AI, but you don't have an automated system yet. And by the way, we could have ChatGPT write this, but you don't have an automated system yet to sell what you're talking about. Would you be interested in a free setup service for a funnel that we're currently using that our users are generating thousands and thousands of dollars a month with? And if they say yes, you go, cool, I need you to go sign up for the tool here because I'm going to be setting it up for you. And then that's when you would give them the link to the tool. Okay. Now, all of these different tools, which by the way, I give you for free in this checklist, 400 AI tools here, they have all something called a partner program. So you can go to one of the tools. Let's just go to this scheduling tool. This is a scheduling tool I use to post my content on social media. So let's just say I wanted to post this video or this video. This is an AI generated video, by the way, which our company goes and generates these videos. But I can go take an AI generated video, publish it to like the 40 different platforms at once. And now I'm getting people signing up for the automated funnel. They're going into the automated system, right? So I could go and sell a setup for this tool by going to the partner program, and I could go and copy a link. So you can see this tool paid me out $1,300 so far. And if I stack all my tools, by the way, you wouldn't believe how much money I make just stacking all these different tools. High Level is giving me like $7,000 a month on one side of their app. They give me like another 2 on the other side. If I go to some of these other affiliates I have, I get paid out thousands and thousands of dollars every single month from all these different affiliates. And the way I'm doing this is I'm just getting people to click on these links, and I'm giving away free stuff that I can go and set people up with as a service, right? So look at this, $16,000 promoting this link. And so I don't know if this is making sense to you, but again, the whole point here is we're finding people that need an automation, right? They need some sort of software as a service. We're giving it to them for free because most of these tools have free accounts. They're using our link, but then we get paid out when they pay for their subscription every single month. And a lot of this stuff we can build in advance so that people have these automations that they can load into their accounts. For example, the funnel I gave you earlier, this one, I can give you as something called a snapshot, right? So if you go to this funnel, you go to firstaitool.com/go and you enter your info, what's going to happen is it's going to ask you to go and sign up for the 30-day free trial. Now, on the free trial, there's all these cool things that happen. First of all, you can join a kickoff call where High Level will help you set up your account so you can load all your automations in there. But also, you get the checklist where you can go through the full checklist and get set up with everything, including a call with me. You can get on the phone with me. I'll help you out. But right here, what we're doing is something called a value stack, and we're just stacking all these different things that people get when they get the free trial. Now, again, you're giving away free stuff, right? If somebody, for whatever reason, goes through the first 30 days of whatever you're offering and they're not successful with it, they just cancel. They don't lose anything. And so you can front load all this value to people by giving them a free service and a free tool and a bunch of free bonuses. But if they, for whatever reason, don't see the value after 30 days, they just cancel. But they are going to see the value because we're front loading so much value into our free offers. And this is how we can start selling without selling. Okay. So when we're building our AI marketing agency where we have people paying every single month, right? Because they're paying for the tools to keep them, we're getting paid out, but we did a one-time service. Okay. And how we do that, again, is with these things called snapshots. So let's say we went to this snapshot here after we signed up for a free account on the 30-day trial. What we can do is we can go into the snapshot here. We can load it into our account and it automatically transfers. If I click on import now, it'll automatically transfer everything that's in my account into your account. And this would be the same thing if you set somebody up with a tool like this. You could take everything that you've built, all your emails, all your funnels, all your landing pages, all your automations, everything that you have set up, and you can transfer all of that into people's accounts so they can start using your funnels, right? So for example, we just built the booked call funnel the other day on our live stream, which by the way, if you don't join our live streams, you really should because they're a place where you can go and ask questions, interact. And also we have another thing that you should join every single Monday at 1 p.m. Pacific Standard. You can actually go join me and a group of other people live on Zoom. And it's even more helpful because then you can be face to face with me and a bunch of other people, and you can ask questions. And again, it's all free. So don't worry about, oh, I'm, having to go and buy this thing. No, your success is going to be very dependent, or my success is going to be very dependent on your success. And so if you're not successful with what we're talking about here, then I'm not going to be successful either, because the only time that somebody gets paid like me is if you're actually successful and you actually keep the thing that I'm talking about. But here you can see this is a brand new funnel we just made on our live stream the other day. And I set this up for everybody so that they can start using this to go and sell whatever they want. This is a booked call funnel. So they enter in their name, their phone number, and then it puts them into a call automation where it gets people to book a call. And so this would be kind of your first offer here, where you could actually put in a funnel into your account, start getting people set up with whatever free tool you want. And remember, you have a list of over 400 different tools that you could start promoting. But I really want you to understand this. AI is going to replace everybody, right? You see all the updates that these different tools are getting. We have AI agents now where people can call an AI agent, get on the phone with them. The AI agent will schedule stuff and reference, a database and say, okay, well, yeah, we have this inventory, and AI is going to be a lot more efficient than any human would ever be when it comes to a lot of the services that, people are offering right now, whether it's building an AI generated website, an AI generated video. That's why we built our Shinify app, because, we realized that, people were going to eventually start building AI generated content. And so instead of me going out and doing videos, I can just go and have an AI do it. And that's what a lot of my short form content is. It's just AI generated content that gets thousands and thousands of views and tons of leads. But AI is going to replace everything. And so the main thing that AI is going to start replacing is all the people doing services, right? And so if you're thinking like, oh, I want to get a client, oh, I want to do services, I want people to pay me, instead of having the person pay you that's going to eventually let you go because you're going to get replaced by an AI software or an AI system, you need to be the one that's learning these AI systems so that you can go and replace yourself with it and get paid every single month for it. And so that's why AI marketing agencies are going to be so much more important, because there are going to be 0 employees. It's going to be just you. And there's a reason why so many people are trying to be good at, things like prompt engineering. One of the highest paid opportunities right now is prompt engineering. What does that mean? Learning how to operate an AI. Okay. And so you don't want to be like the people that were factory workers that then got replaced by all the machines when the Industrial Revolution happened. You want to be the person running the machines, because all these people are going to start going, hey, how do I use AI? I just got replaced by AI. Now I need to learn how to use it. You should be the one teaching people how to go and start doing it. And not only just teaching, but also using it, right? Go and help people set up their systems, become an AI specialist, start learning AI, because this is going to be one of the biggest opportunities of the 21st century. Okay. So anyways, to get started with all this, because I know some of it's kind of confusing, go to firstaitool.com, go grab the 30-day free trial, grab the free checklist. You'll get taken to a thank you page afterwards, and start going through the checklist. Okay. Join our course. We have a full step-by-step course. Again, it's completely free. You don't have to pay any money. Start going through the course. It'll take you through everything you got to do. Start joining our calls. We have calls every Monday. Book a call with me. I'm happy to get on the phone with you. Book a kickoff call with High Level. They'll help you out as well. But you really need to start learning this, because I'm telling you, you're going to get so left in the dust by all the people that are learning how to start doing AI. And you're really going to see all the services that people are trying to sell, all these people that are trying to sell services to local businesses and, these small businesses, they're going out the door. And somebody's going to come in at some point, if you're doing manual services for people, and they're going to go, hey, I can automate all this for you. That, you know how you're paying all these employees here? I can automate all this. Do you really need these employees? No, check this out. And you're going to get replaced with a system. So it's better for you to learn the system now and do it now than it is to wait to get replaced. Okay. So look at this. There's a whole course in here. You can go through it, how to import the snapshot, how to create your account, your daily checklist for your content, how to build your social media profiles. All this stuff is set up for you. So go through the trainings and start learning all of this, because this is going to really, really help you understand the entire process. Okay. We also have all of our weekly Zoom call replays here. I didn't realize my head's cut off, so that's kind of embarrassing, but that's how it is. But yeah, learn all this stuff. It's good stuff. All right. So we'll see you inside. And again, if you haven't already, if you want to claim all this, make sure you drop a comment. I will respond to the comment with all your bonuses. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you inside. All right, guys. Bye.